So avocados can be pretty expensive. When I go to the store, they're 3 for $5. And my girls like avocados, my wife and I like avocados, but I'm not spending 15 to 20 bucks on avocados every week at the grocery store. So let me show you something to do with the seeds of the avocado. Make a really nice avocado tea, ton of health benefits. Everyone's getting sick right now. It's cold outside. So this is really good to boost your immune system and get a ton of health benefits. So don't just throw away that avocado seed. So after you cut the avocado, just scoop out the avocado seeds, give them a rinse, and just brush them off with a paper towel. I'm going to grab a pot with a quart of water and just put the seeds in the water like so. And we're going to put this on the stove as if we were making tea. Just going to bring this to a boil, let this simmer about 5 minutes or so. After 5 minutes, you're going to see the color start to change in the water, and that skin outside the avocado seed is going to start to loosen up a bit. We're going to take this out, and we want to remove that outer skin of the avocado seed. It's a little bitter, doesn't really give a good flavor to the avocado tea. Just be careful, they're obviously going to be pretty hot. So once that outer skin is removed from the avocado seed, I'm going to take my knife and I'm just going to cut the avocado seed into chunks. You could also use a grater, grate down the avocado seed if you like, but it's easier to just take the knife and just cut it down. They're going to be tender from boiling in the water for that 5 minutes. I had a crab cake dish at the restaurant that was served with a guacamole. One of the sous chefs would always take the avocado seeds and make this tea for all of us. That's how I got the idea to make this. So once your avocado seed is chopped down, add it back to the same water, and then we're going to bring this to a boil again and let this simmer for another 5 minutes. I'm going to add a cinnamon stick for added flavor, and just let this go another 5 minutes. The flavor is similar to green tea. It's pretty earthy, so the cinnamon stick gives it a good flavor. You could also use clove or any other spices you like. It's full of antioxidants, can help lower your blood pressure. It's also going to promote healthy digestive health. So after 5 minutes, turn off the heat, grab your favorite mug, and then we're just going to strain in that avocado tea. If you have any left over, you can put it in the fridge. It's just as good cold. So once this starts to cool down a bit, I like to add a little bit of honey. Grab some good honey, has its own health benefits, but you want to make sure that it cools down a bit. If you add it when it's really hot, most of the health benefits for the honey go away with the heat of the tea. But I'm going to use some monk fruit sweetener. It's a really nice sugar substitute. It's great for diabetics because it doesn't spike your glucose levels. So I'm going to add a teaspoon of that. Just mix that in the avocado tea. So with the cinnamon stick and the monk fruit sweetener, I really enjoy the flavor of this avocado tea. Give it a try for all the amazing health benefits. I'll see you in the next one.